beautiful day. I don't even know what day it is here. Day 4. Super loud. Just getting off the train here in Tangier. Look there. Just arrived here in Tangier after the night train. It's actually pretty cool. Just taking a train across Morocco in the middle of the night. Decent bed. Slept pretty good. A little cramped in there with all 4 of us and all of our stuff.
Well?
I did. I slept alright. I was pretty sweaty though. I heard you talking in your sleep a couple times.
You like thrash. Yeah, you like thrash in your sleep and like throw your arms and you're like, I fudge. Like really, like. I said
Fudge.
Yeah, like.
No, I slept pretty good.
I don't even swear in my sleep.
It's kind of cute.
Do I do that at home?
Yeah, you do. Now we gotta look for our pickup. I'm not even sure how we arranged this on the way here, but they didn't really tell us how we were getting picked up. Oh, there you go.
Oh, yay.
Oh, Michelle Blevin.
Hi. Nice
to meet you.
Hi, good morning.
Perfect. United States.
Which city?
Iowa?
City, Iowa.
Oh.
Yeah.
And which area you are going to? Well, I don't have the name.
Fajar?
She said to meet us in a square though.
That turned out perfect, huh? I have to look for anybody. I can't wait to shower.
Yeah, because you really need it.
You guys look golden.
Smell.
I probably do smell like shit. I haven't showered in 2 days.
It's just your socks, I think.
So we got camel
pants.
on. Rail shop. Restaurant Rail. Well, here we are, Riyadh Fajar. I'm not sure if that's how you actually pronounce it, but it's F-A-J-A-R. We just got here. It's 7:15 in the morning. Everybody's sleeping. This is beautiful. Got an ocean view. Can't wait to get up and just explore this place. But right now, I think we're gonna go take a shower and take about an hour-and-a-half nap. Kind of tossed and turned on that train earlier. I mean, it was a comfortable ride. How much was that? I booked it through Viator Tours. It ended up being $100 a person, but it also picked you up at your hotel in Marrakech, took you to the train, included a ticket, and then it was a hotel drop-off in Tangier for $100. I think if you just wanted to go and buy the train ticket at the station, it's like $50, but you can do it anywhere online. Like it's only a Marrakech website, and they can't take credit card online, as far as what we found out. So you have to do it here or there in Marrakech, and we just didn't want to risk that for an extra $50 with the pickups and drop-off. You're almost spending that in cabs anyway. Plus the stress-free, somebody's just getting you. So I recommend doing that. Viator Tours is kind of the way that we went, which I'm glad. Now, this is beautiful. I'll show you the Riyadh later. I'm gonna go take a nap. Got a nice little nap. Time to explore the city. The view up here is freaking amazing though. Way better than what I expected. It's about 60 degrees out and sunny. Not sure the plan yet today. We might do one of those hop on, hop off buses.
Hey! Oh my goodness! Wow! Oh my god, that's beautiful.
That's Spain clear out there.
I'm gonna take the ferry from here to Spain. This is so cool. This is like Spain and Morocco.
Basically, yeah. The big seagull.
Go tonight or something like sit upstairs. Hi, baby. I want the. Oh my gosh! I want the little ginger one, and I want to call it Mini Blivin.
Get out of here. Thank you.
Called it fish. Fish head. Oh, yep. We're taking Mini Blivin home with us.
No. No video, yeah. Looking at his chickens. It's illegal. Just kind of strolled down a few streets and found a little market. We're gonna try to find a little breakfast, something to munch on before we take this, kind of just a tour of the city. Chickens hanging up. It smells pretty good though, actually.
ابواب مدينه هي نفسك كان دوري كان دوري
Leading us to a nice breakfast spot.
It's Berber.
Berber?
Yeah, from Malta. Yeah, 3 kilometers distance. Nice private ابواب مدينه. Good.
Beautiful.
Made it to the ocean. Did you? Really cool seashells. This is one I wish I would have brought my swimsuit, but then it still would have been cold.
It was so cold. I like to see black.
Yeah. I mean, the weather's perfect. Isn't this pretty?
Beautiful.
Ruining your thing. It does look like it'd be like Greece, doesn't it? But it's Tangier. A lot of French here. French and Spanish, because basically that's Spain right over there. Give him a fight. So you can jump.
Really just want to buy a beer or wine. I don't even care.
That's all you want?
That's all I want. You just want wine? Or beer now.
Walk, and then there is this boy will they have a restaurant.
Okay.
شوف الزوج خصهم يرجعوا يديروا التور ديال هذا مع سبيهم.
Smile.
Mwah. Thank you. I'm gonna.
Stopped down by the beach to get our first little meal here in Tangier. It's shrimp pil-pil, which I don't even know what pil-pil means. Almost looks like a curry. We got a shrimp salad. That's good. Calamari. She's waiting on her omelet. Little kitten. This is a good view.
Okay,
Hello.
welcome to Tangier.
Thank
Enjoy
you.
your time, bro.
Thank you, thank you.
Do you have a channel you travel and you photograph?
Take videos.
From America?
Yeah.
Welcome anyway.
Yeah, thank you. Went to Indonesia, Colombia, Belize, all over the place.
All over the world.
All over. Thank you.
You should be grateful for that.
Thank
Enjoy
you.
your time, man.
You too. Have a good one. Yep, we'll see you.
You can see it. Turn your neck and show Cassie that.
Is it herpes?
Yeah.
No.
What
I
is
get
that?
sick like my
It's
lymph
like
Railids?
it's like an ad.
Oh, yeah. Tango piece. Some nougat. Yeah, thank you. Not bad. Yeah, that bus tour we're on is pretty cool. It's like $13, takes you all around the city and then like way off into the mountains. Here's like 20 stops. Here's one of the stops right here though, this lighthouse. It's like on the backside of Tangier. Damn near get blinded off that ocean, don't you? The sunlight. Look how old this is. This is really cool. Beautiful palm trees. Yeah, they are. Did they go in there or they come down here?
I don't know where they went.
That's pretty cool. Can't wait. Ooh, supposed to be
Oh wow.
Hercules Cave. Holy shit. That's really cool. Look at that. Can't even see. It's so bright. get a cool picture together in here, but this wouldn't even do justice.
Let's go take a video over here. Maybe you can take a screenshot.
Hey, we can do that. It's like it's so bright from the sunlight. It's like sun setting right through here. There's just this huge cave. Look at that. Hey, let's see if we can do this. Screenshot a little bit. So dark though, huh? Yeah, let's go. We gotta catch that bus. It'll only give us like 15 minutes to stop off and explore, so we gotta run on back. Heading out for the night, getting some seafood. Just hopped in a taxi. What's the place called we're going to? I have no idea.
Hold on.
None of us know.
La Posada.
La Posada.
She said it better. It was cute.
I can't even roll my
La
R's.
Posada.
Yeah, that's it. Anyway, gonna get a nice dinner and just explore the nightlife here in Tangier.
6 feet.
Nice man.
Yeah.
Nice man.
That?
Then, hold on. Do you have a card?
Yeah.
He's got it out right
Yeah,
I give him that for the restaurant.
Okay.
Can you finish?
Okay.
Can you call me? I'm coming
now.
back.
Actually, probably should.
Okay.
Yeah, might as well.
For tomorrow, can
Be a
you
nice
like
guy, you know?
this
Take us to the
hour?
next spot.
No.
Yeah, take us to
Probably cost 40.
Morocco Club.
It's the same. It's
There you
fine.
go. We'll buy the next one.
Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Welcome every time. Hola, amigo mío que hablar español. Aquí mejor. Can you
Thank you.
talk English?
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome.
La Posada. That's really good. Oh Lord. Here's our meal. Got some spaghetti seafood. I'm not sure what's in it actually. Shrimp, calamari, a little bit of everything. Spaghetti with salmon. Nice chicken.
Thank you.
Some
Thank
shrimp.
you.
God damn, it looks good. It's real. At the Morocco Club, getting a couple Casablancas. Pretty stuff.
You didn't even like those arm pumps.
I missed it, didn't I? I mean, it's time to rail. Alright everybody, I didn't really get a chance to end it last night. We're just getting up and about right now, it's about 9 in the morning. Gotta take a nice hot shower. I think we're just gonna roam around again today, go to a little cafe that Anthony Bourdain went to when he came to Tangier. I think that'd be pretty cool. Get some more cool food, maybe wander around, buy a little more things. I'm running low on money though. Got like 150 dirham left. Yeah, last night was pretty cool. Went to called the El Morocco Club, like a little bar in a basement of some old building, and it was pretty cool. Had a couple drinks there. Came back about midnight and just passed out. This is the end of like day 5 here. Keep getting the days confused. But anyway, we'll see you in the next vlog. Later.